everybody, welcome to the ranch. So today I am opening up a package sent to me via a sponsorship for the podcast that I'm on. So stick around and see what's in the box. Oh, I'm so excited. So I am here. The kids are all gone. They went to see a movie with my mother-in-law. Eric is still at work, so I decided to take this time and unbox the package that I got in the mail. This box is actually from a company called ForJars, canning supply company. Super cool. You can go to ForJars.shop. Now, they are a sponsor. They're sponsoring an episode, or I don't know if it's a couple or just one or whatever it is, but they are a sponsor for the podcast that I'm a part of each week. It's called Round The Hay Bale. If you haven't checked it out, you definitely want to go over there. It's not just me, but it's some other beautiful YouTube channels. You've got Lisa from Yogi Hollow Farms, Alicia from Country Mama Musings, and Casey from Ormsby Farms. So we're all there together and we're hanging out and we're doing a podcast, and we got sent some items, and I am so excited to open these up because I am going to be using these, whatever's in here, for a part of my preparation for a challenge that I'm a part of in February, which that video should have been out by now, but it's on the way. Trust me, it's coming. If it's not out by now, it'll be out. So let's check out and see what I got because I'm excited. Now this, again, this is from ForJars, a canning supply company. I'm super excited to see what I got. I think Casey already put his video out, so I want to see what I got before ruin it by watching his stuff. Oh, comes with a little ForJars, says happy canning. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. Now, we will be giving away, I believe that on our episode that they're sponsoring this season, there will be a giveaway at some point. So definitely make sure you're checking out those podcasts over on Spotify, Google, and iTunes. And I think we're on a couple different platforms. I mean, like, seriously, we're on platforms. So go check us out. Round the Hay Bale. Go check us out. Okay. Oh, look what I got. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. Okay, so the first thing in my package I got, I'm like ripping this open. So excited. ForJars always pops. Oh my gosh, this is so cute. Canning is easier with ForJars. Oh my goodness, I love this. So I could use this as a canning mat, or I can just use it as a hand towel. I love it. It's so soft. I love this. I'm so excited. Oh, that's super cute. ForJars always pops. Oh my gosh, that's so cute. Okay, I am so excited. There's another one, and it's in gray in this one. ForJars always pops. Oh my goodness, this is so cute. Look how big this is too, y'all. Like, that's a big tea towel or canning mat, whatever you want to use it for. It's microfiber. It's really soft. I love that. Two of them. Oh, I'm so excited. And we've got the canning lids, wide mouth. So I've got the canning lids, 12 lids and bands, fridge safe, dishwasher safe, and pressure canning. So I've got the wide mouth. Ooh, the regular mouth. I'm so excited. There's more. And oh my gosh, y'all, I am so excited. Look at this. It's a box of 100 lids, just the lids. Oh my goodness. Because the thing is that you don't need to, you don't necessarily need all the bands. Like if you have like a dozen bands or so, you don't need bands, because the thing is you don't store the bands with the jars when you put them in your can. And oh my gosh, and I got regular mouth too. That is amazing. So yeah, you don't, if you don't know and you're canning out there and you're new to canning, do not store your bands on your jars when you put them in your pantry or your storage or whatever you're doing, okay? Don't store them that way. If you're pressure canning or water bath canning, whatever you're doing, if you're canning for long-term storage or for storage, all right, do not leave your rings, your bands on your jars. It's just not necessary. You don't want to do that. So you have both pieces. So I got a 12 pack of both pieces. That's so nice. Look, it's got the little piece on there so I can put the date on it. Oh, I am super excited. And you really don't need more than a dozen rings, really, like bands, because here's the thing. Some of them are gonna get like gross or whatever, but you don't need that. So I am super excited to use this. Canning lids, 100 each. The canning lids and bands, 12 each. And some gorgeous canning mats. Thank you, ForJars. This is awesome. I cannot wait to use these and to show you all how they work. And yeah, I'm gonna use these in my videos coming up. So yay, thank you, ForJars. ForJars. If you haven't checked out the podcast, again, go do that. And if you're interested in learning more about ForJars, you can definitely go to forjars.shop. It's ForJars USA. And yeah, that's pretty awesome. I'm super excited. They're on, looks like TikTok, Instagram, and Facebook, so you can find them wherever. And if you need anything, go look. There's gonna be a link to ForJars in my description box, and there's gonna be a link to the Round the Hay Bale in the description box, and all the things. So thanks for hanging with me while I unboxed and enjoyed my alone time for a few minutes, right? That's like a 5-minute video I just did, and you guys were still with me, so thank you. And if you haven't checked us out, and you've watched our videos, go like and subscribe and do all the things, because we appreciate every single one of our friends. Until next time, who likes awesome gifts and sponsors to the podcast and all the things we're doing, and amazing support. Farmers' Wives too. Until next time, see ya.